So we're going to have a walk through the Kingmaker section now. Not as good as, don't know how good my camera's going to be in here because it's not very good in the dark. So I'm going to try and do as much as we can. So I think we're in the stables bit now. There's his horse, suited and booted.
Gonna be a check for it.
This is the armoury where they make all the tools and weapons.
It's heavy. Go back.
Try it on, Elliot.
It's really heavy. Can you try it on?
No, thank you.
Rise, Richard of Smith. Stand in the light a bit, I can't see you very well. Looking good, you look a bit like a funny Star Wars person.
I really look stunned. Some more workstations where they were making armour. And then you go through to the, oh, it looks like a battle scene. Elliot, look at the cat. There's a cat over there. Hello, sir. That was a joke because all knights are sirs. No idea. That joke's not working.
He's a big
Can't really see this well. It's battering ram. So this is the room where they make all the leathers, all the clothing. This is the treasurer's room. Lots of gold. Treasure chest down there. A chest. I think we're going to what do you call them? Tavern. Arm wrestlers. Bit of a feast.
My master died. Fighting in the field without horse. They caught him, lifted his helmet, stabbed him. My Earl Warwick, Kingmaker.
So exit via the gift shop. And they've got some meads and ciders, some ales. Duck soup ale. I'd like to get a couple of these. Chocolates. And souvenirs. Pens and pencils. Biscuits. Oh, got some magnets. Night magnet. Key rings. Some collectible figures. Oh, dragons. Oh, 2 for £10. These expensive big magnets with Elliot and Owen on their surnames. Oh, and Smith. They are £4 each though. Also get some swords or daggers. £130, 150 for Excalibur. Buy wooden ones as well. Also goblets, tankards, Richard the Lionheart goblet, pretty cool, and books. You come out the gift shop there and then you go straight into the restaurant. So another section that you can do is the Time Tower, and that's this building here. Bit of a queue to get in there at the moment, but we're going to go over to this bit, climb to the top of here before we get an ice cream. Just as a perspective, we went in there, we've gone all the way around there, went into the King Maker bit, which is just there, and come all the way back, which ended up coming out there, and the restaurant's just in there. The Conqueror Fortress. So let's go. So it looks like it's some like walkway that goes to the top. There's a few stairs. Interactive spinning wheel with information about the different weapons. Pretty cool. Getting a bit busier now, but still not as busy as the Bank Holiday Sunday
You
that
agree
came.
with William of Malmesbury, who
Another
stated that
beautiful
an arrow
day
went
in
through
Warwick.
Harold's eye and into his brain.
Let's carry on
Henry of
up.
Huntingdon, who described the shower.
We've got a few more stairs here now as we get a bit steeper. So you come through the top to a little viewing area with some benches, some other points of interest that you can see. St Mary's Church, Market Hall Museum, Kenilworth Castle, which probably off in the distances somewhere. Get different views of the castle grounds as well as you walk around. There's a good view of the jousting area. And the Trebuchet. We've also got some binoculars, which Elliot is looking through the wrong way, for a better view of the Trebuchet and the jousting area. Really good views from the other side. Very chatty Owen, who's got a flower of some sort. Owen! So the down part is just some more pathways that come around the opposite end of the castle, and you come out by the bird show by the looks of it. Some more stairs. So there's the grass area for the bird show, and you come out just at the bottom here. That was a nice little scenic walk. So we're going to come out and we're going to find the ice cream man. I think he's down that way this time, and get ourselves ice cream. And this is what £7.50 ice creams look like, including Elliot's. You don't get discounts off the Mr. Whippy van. A lot busy in the courtyard now. Don't know what time it is actually. We've just been for an ice cream. Owen, hopefully the pushchair's still there so Owen can go to sleep. So we're going to look at the great room and the state rooms. Elliot's already on his way. Celia?
Yeah.
Cook your PRT.
No.
You get a lot of porridge in there, won't you?
Yeah, I'll wait. All the porridge.
That's it, and you walk back into the main hall. And that was just a whistle stop. Because Lucy couldn't bring him in, Owen in, because he was in his pushchair. So you can do tours around the castle, and these are the different ones you can do. So if you want to go in the dungeon, it's £9. I believe you do get annual pass discount off that as well. So I think that about does it for Warwick Castle for us today. There's only a couple of things that we haven't done, but we're going to come back and do those at another time. We're going to get some donuts and a drink, and then we head on out. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.